Is your WhatsApp calling but not showing ringing on your iPhone? This can happen due to network issues or software glitches. No worries. In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp calls not ringing on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before doing anything, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced settings. Solution 1. Turn on live activity. First, open up the settings app. Now scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on apps. Now find the WhatsApp. Then tap on it. After that, make sure to toggle on live activity from here. And also make sure to toggle on the background app refresh. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. First, open up the settings app. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now restart the iPhone and check whether the issue is solved or not. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved by now. If you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.